Strong. Let's make a Long Island iced tea. Hey Thirsty fam, welcome back, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn how to bartend and make cocktails from an actual working bartender, you came to the right place. Today we're making the popular Long Island iced tea. I definitely make at least one per shift. They have a lot of booze in them, so we want to make sure that we know how to make them right. Okay? We don't want to get too crazy with this cocktail now. You need to know your measurements, even if you're making it for yourself. If your bar allows you to free pour, go for it. Make sure you watch our free pour video if you don't know your measurements. But today we're going to be using a jigger. The jigger that we're using is from this Bar Deluxe cocktail kit. This is from Amazon and it comes in 4 different colors. If you want to get your hands on this kit, use the link in our description. For this cocktail, you're going to need pretty much every single type of spirit. Some vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, sour mix, and a cola. I would say Coke makes the most optimal Long Island, but I mean, to each their own. If you like Pepsi, you like Pepsi. It is what it is. At my bar, I usually have a lemon wedge. Today we did a wheel because it just looks cuter. But whatever you have will work. A lemon garnish is the key here. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get into this recipe. If you want to make this cocktail alongside me, go to bottlerover.com and get some booze delivered to your door. In our shaker, we're adding a ½ ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of rum, a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of sour mix. If you don't have sour mix or if your bar doesn't carry it and you want to make your own sour mix from scratch, you can sub out the sour mix for half simple syrup and half lemon juice. Some people also like to put lime juice in their sour mix. When you're making this drink behind the bar, lemon and simple, that's fine. You don't need to add another ingredient. There's already so many things going in this drink. We're gonna shake that with some ice and then roll or strain this into your serving glass. Top it with some Coke and garnish with a lemon. And that's how you make a Long Island iced tea. Stay thirsty.